This is a 3-piece makeup sponge set, and this is perfect for blending your liquid foundation as well as using it for powder too. And you're gonna get 3 of these. You're gonna receive it in purple, black, as well as hot pink too, also known as fuchsia. And it's very easy to use dry with pressed powder or loose powder, or what I like to do is get it wet or actually damp. I get this wet and then squeeze out all the excess water, and look how big it becomes when you get it wet. Then I like to put my liquid foundation on it. Now what's really nice about this, it has 3 different areas for you to use your makeup. You have a pointy tip, you have this flat part on the bottom, and then you have it round throughout. Here's a close-up of what the makeup sponges look like. And these beauty blenders work perfectly. It has this tip that's pointy, so you can get the hard to reach places like around your nose and your eyes. And there's also this flat part right here, and this is perfect for large areas like your chin or cheeks. And then there's the round area, which you can use all over. And this is what the fuchsia one looks like. Now, I've already been using this right now, and as you can see right here, let me put some on so you can see how it works. After you get the sponge wet and remove all the excess water, then you can put your liquid foundation on. And this is how you would apply it, and then you would pat it up and down just like this until you get a nice uniform look. Perfect. Just like that. This is fantastic. I love using it. I'm actually using it right now. Works perfectly. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.